welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. So I just filmed a get ready with me. I hadn't done one in a while, I'm pretty sure, so I thought it'd be fun. I'm gonna go shoot some photos in Amsterdam in a little bit, so I kind of just created the makeup look that I use a lot for when I go to shoot photos. It's very light, like no foundation, but still like having most stuff covered, like I don't know. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy it. I will leave all the products that I use down below, and also will link my outfit down below. So yeah, let's just get into it. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do with my hair, but I'm just gonna get it out the way real quick and do my baby hairs. So for my edges, I always use the Got To Be clear glue. Wouldn't say this is the best, like it's really good at holding my edges, but sometimes it gives me pimples around my hairline which isn't great. So if you guys know another gel that really holds your hair down, let me know, because my hair is super stubborn and like I can't even get the ends to be straight. Like they curl in, which is like fine, but let me know if you know a good gel. I really have to press it down or else it's not going to stick down. Can you see this? Like it's curling in. I don't know if you can tell. Over here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna wear it. I think I'm just gonna wear it in like a little like low bun when I'm shooting this outfit. So I guess that's the first hairstyle I'm gonna do. Kind of have a side part. I do quite like that. And then basically what you do is you just put it in a low bun, but you kind of let the ends stick out. I think that looks really cute. And then I pull out this piece. Okay. I just realized my eyebrows really need to be tweezed. They really need to be tweezed. Like, oh my god. You probably can't tell, but I like never tweeze them anymore because I just really prefer the natural brow look. I really want to get like a brow lift lamination thing. I kind of want to not tweeze too much and kind of let them grow. I don't know. If you guys have ever gotten that done, let me know down below because I'm still on the fence about it. Okay, so a lot of the products I'm using today I've shown in other videos. Oh my god, just because I really enjoy them and I just need to make sure that my makeup works for today and like I know it's gonna stay on. Definitely need to get some new makeup just so I can try out new stuff because I just haven't really been into makeup shopping and I don't know what to get. But I'm using the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. I don't know what it is, but this is just so amazing. I do have oily combination skin, so like most of my skin is normal, but around my nose and my forehead gets oily, but it's definitely not as bad as it used to be. Like also because I'm obviously getting older. Like during puberty, like I was so oily. Like I would put on the most mattifying products and then literally after like an hour I would already get oily. But I would also just try to get my face as matte as possible, and I feel like now I'm not really too focused on being like super matte anymore. I am gonna use the Professional just on my T-zone just to help out a little bit, but I feel like at this point I definitely kind of know how to do my makeup without getting extremely oily. You know, it's trial and error, and like my skin definitely isn't as oily as it used to be when I was younger, but I still do have oily skin in my T-zone. Not using any foundation. I definitely still wear foundation sometimes, especially if I feel like my skin's really bad, but in general, like I just don't really love the feeling of foundation anymore. So I'm gonna go in with two Too Faced concealers. This one is in the color Butterscotch, but it's kind of discolored. I don't know, maybe that's like super bad and I shouldn't use this, but since I got a little bit of a tan, I need to use a darker shade. I'm probably going to just get this in a different color soon. I don't really have too much to conceal, usually just kind of the dark spots around my mouth and then underneath my eyes. Once I blend this out, I'm going to use the other concealer, but first, damp beauty blender. Just blend this in, kind of bring it outwards from where I apply it. So in the end, it's kind of all over my face, but the main focus is like where I'm placing it. I need to make sure that I don't touch my pants because I'm wearing white sweatpants and I don't want to get makeup on it, so let's hope I don't ruin them because that would really suck and I would have to figure out a new outfit. I'm going in with the same concealer but in warm beige, and this one is a lot lighter, so this is going to highlight. It's my second coffee for today. It's only like 1 p.m. I used to not be able to have more than one coffee a day because they would give me anxiety, but now I just really need it because I just have no energy. I always want to get so much stuff done, like in one day. So without coffee, like I would not be able to do that. So for my cream contour, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in Deep. Don't know how long I'll be able to use this as a cream contour, because if I get any more tan, then it's not really gonna do anything. It's not even a contour, it's more like just kind of warming up that part of my face, because it's a little bit darker, but it's really not even that dark. So I'm just using that to kind of bronze, I guess. So essentially, instead of using foundation, I'm just using concealer in different areas of my face. And I personally just prefer that because I feel like it's a lot lighter on your skin, instead of like first putting on foundation and then doing this. It obviously depends on like if you want to cover more, like if you have more problem areas on your face that you want to cover, then obviously a foundation would make more sense, or else you would just be wasting a lot of concealer. But just for like spot concealing and then a little bit of like a cream bronzer moment, you can totally get away with just using concealers. Okay, so now I'm gonna let this base sit for the moment. I'm gonna do my brows. I have been using the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo for forever. I don't really do anything special. I just, I guess, follow my natural brow shape and then kind of clean it up with some concealer, because I can never fill in my brows very well. It's always very messy. So I'm just going to start kind of over there and then blend it inwards so that it's lighter on the inside. Concealer really just does it for me. There's concealer on my eyeball. Okay, guess I can't get rid of it. So I take some concealer and I just go in and carve that out. While I'm carving out, I can also kind of tell like, oh, I need to add some more here to fix the shape, whatever. Could have used a darker concealer, but it's fine. Usually looks a bit better when you use like your foundation shade or your concealer shade. That's like, that matches your skin tone, but we'll make it work. It's fine. Just have a bit more of a halo brow now, which I personally don't mind too much, but once I apply bronzer and stuff, that's gonna go away. So that looks so good. Okay, next brow I'm just gonna quickly do. I definitely need to take out this contact and clean it. There's literally like just like a glob of concealer on it. I've had that before and it literally stayed on all day. I feel like this brow is not gonna come out good. Sometimes you just have a feeling, because I always have one brow that looks better, but like it's never the same brow. Like some days this brow looks better and some days the other one looks better. I don't really get the science behind it, but wait, this brow actually doesn't look bad. This one actually looks better, I think. They definitely look very different, but it's fine. I'm gonna be powdering off my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So first put some in the cap, and then I'm gonna blend out all the creases and then go in with that. It's really just my favorite product ever. And I used to never, my eyes red now. I used to never apply this with a damp sponge, but ever since doing that, it has just changed my makeup game so much. It's so much better, because I used to get like a weird dark shadow underneath my eyes every time I would powder off my concealer. Before like I had to first like put a different powder onto my concealer first and then use translucent powder, or else it would just get this weird dark shadow. But literally the thing that fixed that was by just using a damp sponge. Like that literally fixed everything. Look at us looking ashy. Oh my god, cute. Like the ash is just part of my makeup routine at this point. Like it just happens. It's inevitable. My favorite contour and bronzing combination is the Makeup Geek Tawny Bronzer and the Kylie Cosmetics Almond Bronzer. So the Tawny Bronzer is kind of more cool toned, which is why I can get away with using it as a contour. But I use the same brush, so I go in like that. And then with the same brush, I go into my Kylie one. And that warms up the face a lot more. I put it like on my nose. I go in with like a fluffy brush and the tawny one, and I do some contouring. And then blend that out a bit. For blush, I'm using the Bobbi Brown blush in Sand Pink. Just use a simple blush brush for this. And then for highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Loose highlighter in So Hollywood. I haven't used this in a while, so loose highlighters aren't my favorite because they're just so messy. But you can really control like how much you put on, which I like. Now I need to put on some setting spray to like set down all the powder. So I use the matte and the radiant finish from NYX, just like together. It's a great combination and super inexpensive as well. Now I'm just gonna put on a quick brow gel. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with my eyes. I don't think I want to really do too much. Maybe just a light eyeshadow because I'm gonna shoot multiple photos so that whenever I do that, I don't like to do anything very noticeable on the eyes because then you're really gonna be able to tell that it was shot on the same day. Why can I not fucking open this? What the hell? Oh my god. Okay. All of my brushes are dirty, so we're just gonna use the dirty one. I'm gonna go in with this shade from this NARS palette because it's nice and warm, and we can just put this kind of all over the eyes. Haven't done that in a while. Like just a little bit of a brown shadow going on. Tomorrow I have my first official modeling job. And I'm really excited to let you guys know what it is, but I can't yet. I'm gonna try to vlog it, but it's a very big opportunity and like it's insane. So I cannot wait to tell you guys, but it's a modeling job and it's kind of crazy. I never thought I would be part of that. So you can see that my contact is really bothering me. Can you see it if I move like that? It's like right there. Then I'm just gonna put on some mascara. I'm using the Essence of Volume Hero Mascara. It's actually quite good. I usually use it on top of a mascara, but it's my first time using it on its own, and it looks kind of really good. I feel like most of the time drugstore mascaras just are the best. But like I also love the Too Faced one, but it just dries out so fast that it's like no thanks. That's the only mascara I think I've ever kind of splurged on, but after seeing how fast it dries up, I would never do that again, or at least not that one. Okay, now I'm gonna do my freckles and beauty spots. I've been using this Urban Decay brow blade. It's like, it has this like pen. I've been using that to do like my beauty spots, and then I do my freckles with the Freck, but let me just, it's a little darker than Freck, but I don't mind that for like beauty spots. And since it's a pen, it's like really easy to use. You could probably also get this in a lighter color and use it for freckles. If you just get like one of the lighter shades. I might even do that because it works really well. You can get really thin dots. And then I'm just using Freck to do freckles. It's quite easy. I also feel like adding freckles just makes it look more natural, even though you're obviously wearing makeup. It just adds something more natural to the face. So I'm going to line my lips with the NYX lip liner in Mauve. Not sure if this is going to look how I want it to. I'm using the Anastasia matte lipstick in Kiss. It's very matte. Ooh. Kind of blending that onto my lips. And then this is actually a clear lip gloss, but you know, once you start using clear lip gloss, it doesn't stay clear. So this is an Essence clear lip gloss, but it has a bit of a tint to it now. I'm using it on lipsticks. I think I'm gonna wear it like that. So this is the outfit I'm wearing. I have a different background. I'm pretty sure this video is going to be up before that, but just stay tuned for an update on my room because I did a little makeover. It's not done yet. Anyways, it might even be up before this, I'm not sure. But this is what I'm wearing. My top and my bottoms are from Urban Outfitters. This top is literally so cute. It makes it look like I have bigger boobs, which is amazing. And then these are sweatpants from Eats France, and I'm wearing them in a small and I absolutely love it. I flipped over the waist, and then I also cuffed the bottoms, or the legs, whatever you want to call it. And I love how they fit, so I actually really want to get some more. Wearing my Air Forces that I customized. I'll leave the vlog down below where I did it. It's honestly such a cute little project that you can easily do yourself. And then for jewelry, sorry it's a little bit dark. I still don't know exactly how to fix that lighting, but I'm wearing this chain from iCore, the label. Cherry necklace is from RUMI. Etsy earrings, I'm gonna try to leave my earrings down below if they're still sold. My bag is from By Far, but they don't sell this specific one anymore because this is the black leather one with gold hardware. But I'm gonna try to find something similar, maybe also a bit more budget friendly. And yeah, that's the outfit. You will definitely see this on my Instagram, and I kind of want this top in every single color because it's literally the most beautiful top ever. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And follow me on my Instagram if you want to see daily content on me, because I post on there every single day. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.